Today, we're diving into a topic that affects almost every driver out there: saving money on car insurance. Let's face it, car insurance can be a significant expense, but there are ways to cut down on those costs without sacrificing coverage. In this video, we'll be sharing some practical tips and tricks to help you save money on your car insurance premiums. First off, we'll discuss the importance of shopping around for the best rates and how comparing quotes from different companies can potentially save you hundreds of dollars each year. Next, we'll touch on the factors that influence your insurance rates. From your driving record to the type of car you drive, there are several variables that insurers consider when calculating your premiums. By understanding these factors, you can make informed decisions that may help lower your insurance costs. We'll also delve into the world of discounts. Did you know that many insurance companies offer discounts for things like safe driving habits, bundling policies, or even being a good student? We'll share some common discounts to look out for and how you can qualify for them. Lastly, we'll discuss the importance of maintaining a good credit score. Believe it or not, your credit history can impact your insurance rates. We'll explain why this is the case and provide tips on how to improve your credit score to potentially lower your premiums. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to save money on your car insurance without compromising on coverage. While car insurance is essential for protecting yourself and others on the road, the costs can add up quickly. Many drivers face challenges when it comes to finding affordable coverage that meets their needs. One common obstacle is the lack of understanding about how insurance premiums are calculated. Factors such as age, driving history, and the type of car you drive all play a role in determining your rates. Another challenge is the perception that all insurance companies offer the same rates. In reality, prices can vary significantly between providers, making it crucial to shop around for the best deal. Additionally, some drivers may struggle to qualify for discounts or incentives that could help lower their premiums. Despite these challenges, there are plenty of opportunities to save money on car insurance. With the right knowledge and approach, you can navigate the world of insurance and find ways to cut down on your expenses while still maintaining the coverage you need. 6 proven steps to save money on car insurance. Step 1. Shop around. Don't settle for the first insurance quote you receive. Different companies offer varying rates, so take the time to compare prices and coverage options. For example, Company A might offer a lower rate for the same coverage that Company B provides. Step 2. Understand your coverage. Needs. Assess your driving habits and financial situation to determine the coverage you truly need. If you have an older car with a low value, you may not need comprehensive coverage, which can help lower your premiums. Step 3. Take advantage of discounts. Many insurers offer discounts for factors like safe driving records, bundling policies, or completing a defensive driving course. For instance, if you have a clean driving record, you could qualify for a safe driver discount. Step 4. Improve your credit score. Believe it or not, your credit history can impact your insurance rates. Maintaining a good credit score can help you secure lower premiums. For example, by paying bills on time and reducing debt, you can boost your credit score and potentially save on insurance. Step 5. Consider higher deductibles. Opting for a higher deductible can lower your premiums, but keep in mind that you'll have to pay more out of pocket in the event of a claim. Evaluate your financial situation to determine if a higher deductible makes sense for you. Step 6. Drive safely. Avoiding accidents and traffic violations can help keep your insurance rates down. Safe driving habits not only protect you and others on the road, but can also lead to lower premiums over time. By implementing these strategies and staying informed about your insurance options, you can take proactive steps to save money on your car insurance while still maintaining adequate coverage. When it comes to saving money on car insurance, there are various perspectives and strategies to consider. One common viewpoint is the importance of maintaining a good credit score to secure lower premiums. Research has shown that individuals with higher credit scores are often viewed as lower-risk drivers by insurers, leading to potential savings on insurance costs. Usage-based insurance programs, where driving habits are monitored through telematics devices, have gained popularity in recent years. While these programs can offer discounts for safe driving behaviors, some drivers may have concerns about privacy and data security. How do you feel about sharing your driving data with your insurance company in exchange for potential savings? Additionally, the debate between comprehensive coverage and liability-only coverage raises interesting questions. While comprehensive coverage provides broader protection, it comes with higher premiums. On the other hand, liability-only coverage may be more affordable but leaves you vulnerable in certain situations. How do you strike a balance between cost and coverage when choosing your insurance policy? As you navigate the world of car insurance savings, consider these different perspectives and weigh the pros and cons of each approach. What strategies have you found effective in reducing your insurance costs? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below to continue the discussion. In conclusion, saving money on car insurance is not just about cutting costs, but also about making informed decisions that align with your needs and financial goals. By implementing the strategies discussed in this video, you can take proactive steps to lower your insurance premiums while still maintaining adequate coverage. Remember to shop around and compare quotes from different insurers to find the best rates for your specific situation. Understanding your coverage needs and taking advantage of discounts can also help you save money in the long run. Whether it's bundling policies, improving your credit score, or opting for higher deductibles, there are various ways to reduce your insurance expenses without sacrificing protection. Driving safely and avoiding accidents can not only keep you and others safe on the road, but also lead to potential savings on your insurance premiums. By being a responsible driver, you can build a positive driving record that may qualify you for discounts and lower rates. We hope the insights shared in this video have empowered you to take control of your car insurance costs and make informed decisions that benefit your financial well-being. If you found this information valuable, consider subscribing to our channel for more tips on personal finance and insurance savings. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others who may benefit from these tips, and continue exploring related content on our channel or website. Thank you for watching, and remember, with the right knowledge and proactive approach, you can navigate the world of car insurance savings with confidence. Stay informed, stay safe, and stay savvy with your finances.